What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to Cilinix Crypto. And in the next few minutes and in this video we will be doing a price analysis and a prediction on top of that analysis on the EMX token or Immutable X, that's what the project is called. So in my opinion, I've known this project for quite a while. In my opinion, it is a very interesting project. I think there's a real use case for it and that it's actually very high in demand, but unfortunately it has dropped down quite a bit over the last weeks and months, and it has had some bullish days and some bullish weeks in between that, and obviously the whole market is bearish. But EMX, if we actually look at the last 3 months, has dropped from $5.4 all the way to 1.12. And in the last year we dropped from a top of 9.2 to 1.6. So obviously that's not great, and we should say, EMX, it's kind of native to what the essence of the project is. It's a very inflationary token. Only 12% of the maximum supply is released. You can see it here as well. Like with this top here, you can see the market cap is almost the same, but the price is lower. They're just releasing coins which isn't necessarily bad, but it might be bad if you're actually holding EMX for the long term. So against all that bad news, we do have some good news today. We actually went up from 1.1 all the way to 1.6 at a maximum, up 25%. Volume was up to 150 million, up to 28% of the market cap. So what we have done, is we reached this key level right here around 1.6. Quite a strong key level. Didn't manage to break through it right here at the end of February, and there's also the 100 EMA. So I think if you also see the market circumstances and the bearish fundamentals right now, I still think the most likely scenario is that this resistance will hold. If we close above 1.4, we might find some support off of 1.4 and consolidate between 1.4 and 1.6. But if we don't get any bullish fundamentals or good news, then I think we would just be dropping down to these levels right here. So I drew it all the way down, but 1.15, 1.17 might hold once we drop down there again. So that's unfortunate, but still, from that 1.17, because we have had this move, we might be able to gain enough support there to start a consolidation between ultimately 1.1 and let's say 1.6 initially. And that consolidation, in my opinion, would be, even though it is a consolidation, would be bullish for IMX or IMX holders, just to make the downtrend stop, to be honest. So I still think that's the most likely scenario, but still, we have the opportunity to break it. So if we do manage to break above 1.65, the unfortunate thing is that once we do that, we will probably find resistance at around 1.75, just because, as you can see, and there's quite a major fib there, the 236, and it's paired together with this trend line, which is quite major. As you can see, it's I should actually redraw it a little bit. So yeah, just a lot of confluence is coming together there, but as long as we stay above 1.65, I think we can take a break retest off of 1.65, or off of this full level. So the full level is 1.65 up until 1.55. So that is possible if we close above that, and from there I actually do think that if this scenario plays out, we can reach the next key level, which would be around $2, but more like 1.85 up to $2, and I do think from there we will find resistance again. So that would just be a little bit more bullish than here, but it and we might be able to then gain some sort of a consolidation on top of 1.55. So over the long term, that would definitely be more bullish, but it's also exponentially more difficult to actually pull off that break of that 1.65 area. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now on Immutable X or the IMX token. If you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said within the video, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.